So basically just right here, not here, I just put a dab of glue like so, press down, and now you have 2 little hearts like so. All right. Hello everyone, I am Ramon. Welcome back to Ramon at Home. I'm so excited you're here today because today we're going to clean and declutter the kitchen, and we're gonna decorate it for Valentine's Day using some of the things I already showed you how to make, like this beautiful lantern and the funky bow, the beautiful wreath with the hearts, and some floral bouquets that we're gonna put all throughout the kitchen. And then on top of that, I'm gonna show you how to make a beautiful swag using the hearts from Dollar Tree. So if you wanna clean and decorate with me, please stay tuned. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing, because here we talk about interior design and decorating through fun DIY projects to help you unleash your inner designer so you can create a space that tells your story. All right, you guys, let's clean and decorate. Guys, so we are done with breakfast, and I really want to get this kitchen whipped into shape for Valentine's Day, and I'm gonna show you a few of the Dollar Tree items and things that we've already done, like the little lantern and also the wreath that we're gonna hang on the door behind us. We're gonna make a swag for the window using Dollar Tree hearts and just jute twine, and I think you guys will love that. So let's get started. The very first thing I need to do is whip this kitchen into shape because we just had breakfast, and as you can see, it's a very small kitchen, but what I like about having a small kitchen is because we can clean it in a snap. So let me get to putting the dishes up, and then we'll get to decorating. So a lot of work to do. Now, how many of you guys know that I'm so obsessed with cutting boards? As you guys can see right here, I have a collection of cutting boards, and it's getting out of control because every time I see a cutting board, I just want to buy it, and I need to get away from the cutting board section in all of the stores. All right, you guys, so two of the cleaning supplies that I live by is this degrasser. You basically just spray it on. Like, what I like to do is I take the burners off, and I only do this about once a week because we do quite a lot here at our house. So what I like to do is I just like to spray this degrasser. It's called Last Total Awesome. I don't know if you guys can see, but this is from the 99-cent store. So I just like to spray it like this and leave it on so it really removes the grease. And then also this cleaner with bleach that I also got at the 99-cent store. This I like to just put on the counters to kind of remove all of the grime. So I just spray it on the counters, and I let it sit for a little bit as I wash my my juice maker. Then this is gonna really take on, and then it's gonna be just as easy as wiping it off. So I'm gonna get to washing the juicer, and we'll get to decorating in a second. All right, everyone, so now we're gonna make a little swag for our window, and we're gonna add some hearts. So the very first thing I did is I grabbed some jute twine, and I did about the same length of the window. However, I went longer on one side because I wanted to swag. So by the time I tie these two ends together, one of them will be longer. So what I need to do is I'm just gonna go ahead and fold it in half like this, and then I'm gonna make a knot right here, and that is where we're gonna use to hang from our thumbtack. This time we're gonna use a thumbtack to attach to the wall. And so basically what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna attach some hearts to the strings. So we're gonna start with the top one, or the shortest one. And this is something that you guys can do with the kids. I think they would just love helping. And what I have right here is my hot glue gun, and it's gonna be super simple. So I have a hot glue gun, and I have some of the Dollar Tree hearts that comes in packs of 12. And we're gonna start with a little one because the closer you get to the little knot, you wanna start with a little one. So basically what you're gonna do is just gonna add some glue to the back right here, and then you are going to attach it to the string. So basically add some glue right here, like so. And because it is cardboard and twine, it attaches so easily. So we're gonna do one, and as you guys can see, it'll just fly. It's such a cute project, you guys, and it's so easy, as just basically gluing these hearts. So now I'm gonna go from a small one to a really big one, but I think I'm gonna alternate colors. I think I'm gonna do a pink one right here. And in this case, what I want to do is I'm just gonna glue right here on both little fat parts of the heart. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna add some glue right here and a touch, and then some glue right here. And you wanna do it towards the top of the heart. So basically just right here, not here, I just put a dab of glue, like so, press down, and now you have two little hearts, like so, all right? So it's super simple. I'm gonna get to gluing at least the first part, and I'll be right back with you and show you what this looks like. All right, so this is what our little garland looks like, you guys, with all these little hearts. I'm gonna hang it on the window, and then I'm gonna get to attaching on the second string, and I will show you exactly what it looks like. But as you guys can see, it's basically just gluing those into a little twine string and attaching it to, it can be to your window, or it can be above a door, or it can be on a fireplace, and it's super affordable because this project is no more than $3. So let me attach it to the window, and I'll be right back with you. All right, you guys, so once we finish our garland on our window, I'm gonna hang this wreath that I showed you how to make on a previous video. If you haven't seen it, I'm gonna link it up right here, right now. It is super easy and it's under $5. It's really pretty heart wreath with just a wire form, some ribbon, and some of these little hearts from the Dollar Tree. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna attach it to the door right here, and I'm gonna do it by using a string of twine to kind of go with a rustic theme for it. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go ahead and with this twine, I'm gonna wrap around this wire, and then I'm gonna fold down and just let it hang right here. And actually what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and cut some of these guys right here, and I'm gonna make sure that I have enough to make a cute little bow. This also came from Walmart and it was super affordable. I think it was about $2, and it's a whole bunch of twine, but you can also find it at your local DT store. I know I've seen it there before. So once you have this like this, just for a floppy little rustic bow, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and just tie it right here in the middle, and then I'm gonna use the same string to attach it to the wreath, and I will show you in a second. Just a little extra detail on it like this. I'm gonna go ahead and attach this right here, and it just gives it a little extra like rustic look to it, and I absolutely love the way that looks on the door. And so now I'm gonna just go ahead and place this lantern. I'm gonna remove this white bowl that I have. I'm gonna put it on my eating kitchen, and then I'm gonna bring a little candle so I can put this little lantern that I also show you how to make this funky bow. If you guys don't remember how to make this funky bow, there is a video. So I'm just gonna put this little lantern with a funky bow right here. I'm gonna remove this bowl. All right, so I have these candles that are like battery operated. So I'm just gonna go ahead and insert one right here on our little lantern. And that's gonna be right here in the corner with a little touch of flowers and Valentine's ribbon. And so the last thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some florals throughout the kitchen with the red and the white peonies that I bought from the Dollar Tree. And then I will show you the end result of the kitchen decorated for Valentine's Day. Stay tuned. All right, you guys, the kitchen is absolutely clean and fully decorated for Valentine's Day. Let me show you what it looks like. All right, guys, so as you guys can see, I put this little lantern right here in the corner with a little candle. You only need a little touch of Valentine's because it is such a small time frame celebration. So I just like to add a little lantern right here with a pretty funky bow. And if you haven't seen how I made this lantern, then I'm gonna link it up right here on the iCard. Then also right here, as you can see, if my cameraman can get close to it, I added this little detail of the little twine, and it's hung with a twine instead of of a wreath hanger, and I absolutely love it. I also show you how to make this cute little wreath. And then right here in the window, I don't know if you'll be able to appreciate the swag that I made with all of the little hearts. They're glittered, and I will put a video of how it looks like at night because in real, I think it looks so cute. Then if you know me, then you know that I like to have a bouquet of flowers right here by the sink when I'm doing my dishes, which I haven't put the juicer out, still air drying. And so that's what our kitchen looks like decorated for Valentine's. You don't have to put up much decor, but just those little touches really make it feel very festive. I hope you guys enjoyed it. As you guys can see, it doesn't take much time or money to decorate your kitchen for Valentine's Day. I also love the way that little swag turned out in the window. I am here for it because it was under $5 with only a few hearts from Dollar Tree and a little string. If you guys liked it, please leave me a comment down below and let me know if this is some project that you might want to do with your kids. Or also leave me a comment down below and let me know what is your favorite Valentine's project to do for decorating your home. Alright you guys, well that's all I have for today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and share with a friend. And if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing because there's going to be plenty of decorating ideas and tips for 2019 with our daily uploads. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, bye.